One of them, of course, is Babu Owino. Tupige makofi sana. Babu, and I'm glad your work is online so that people get the right impression of you. Because sometimes siasa ina create a different impression. This is a very solid guy. Very solid mind. Huyu jamaa kuna actuarial science degree. Huyu akona law, akona economics. Na sasa anaendesha ndege. I don't know umemaliza. He's actually learning piloting. He's doing piloting science.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your story is not well known that well. And what I know is really beautiful. You're a solid person with an incredible mind. And the future, whichever you choose, whether ni hiyo siasa, actuarial, economics, law, ama piloting, you will excel. But knowing you, I know you want to combine everything. Utaingia kwa hali na utoke ujiendeshe kwa hiyo ndege, uland mahali, ufanye kesi, utoke hapo, uende fanye economic conference. I'm proud of you, my brother.